Hello, thank you for contacting us and coming on our YouTube channel and looking at our video. This is Forrest at forrestbuyshouses.com, and we buy houses in Colonial Heights, Virginia. Colonial Heights continues to be a great place for us to help people with real estate problems, and we can be their solution provider, and we can buy your house fast in Colonial Heights, Virginia. And we do it all the time. We've been buying in Colonial Heights for the last 4 years, and we love the area, we love the people in Colonial Heights, and we love solving problems. So if you need to sell your house fast, if you need to sell your house for cash, if you need to sell your house because you're behind on payments, well, we buy houses all over Colonial Heights and the Tri-Cities. So please don't hesitate to call. You can go on our website, you can call the number on this video, and you can contact us, and we'll set up an appointment where we can come and we can see how we can be your real estate solution provider as well. All right, y'all have a great day. Thank you for listening and paying attention to this video.